Soil that repels worms is soil that's starving. If your garden stays quiet, no matter how much compost you add, well, something deeper is missing. Worms do not chase nutrients. They chase biology. They follow microbial activity, stable moisture, and safe habitat. You know, many soils lack these conditions even when compost is present. Biochar changes that environment instantly. Banana peel biochar is not burned, peels tossed into soil. It is carbonized plant material that has been gently charred without turning to ash. Banana peels are especially powerful because they contain potassium, calcium, magnesium and trace minerals that remain locked inside the char instead of leaching away. Compost feeds soil gradually. Biochar builds infrastructure. Think of compost as food and biochar as housing. Dry banana peels completely until they are brittle. This can be done in the sun or indoors over several days. Okay, so allow the container to cool fully before opening. The result should be lightweight, blackened pieces that still hold their shape. Raw biochar will absorb nutrients from soil before releasing them. This is why charging is essential. Crush the cooled banana peel biochar into small pieces. Then mix 1 cup of crushed biochar into 1 gallon of water. Add 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses to the water and stir thoroughly until dissolved. Now, let this mixture sit for 12 to 24 hours in the shade. This step, well, it transforms inert carbon into a biological engine. The molasses, you see, feeds bacteria that colonize the biochar pores. And this, folks, is why results are so fast. Apply the charged biochar mixture to already moist soil in the evening. Cover the area with mulch immediately to protect moisture and temperature. Within just a few hours, microbes begin feeding and multiplying inside the biochar. Fungal threads attach and moisture stabilizes. This is why, you know, worm activity often increases within 1 day. Raised beds lack deep soil reserves, so honestly, infrastructure matters more. This is how raised beds stop aging badly. In large containers between 5 and 10 gallons, banana peel biochar improves drainage while holding moisture. Container soil becomes reusable instead of disposable. Peppers grown in rich organic soil, amended with compost worm castings and banana peel biochar show stronger stems and heavier fruit sets. This reduces the need for frequent feeding. Straw, wood chips or dried leaves protect the biochar layer. Without mulch, results fade. Soil should stay evenly moist, but never soggy. Biochar helps regulate this balance, but, you know, neglect still kills microbes. Consistent moisture ensures long-term worm presence. Worms abandon dry soil first. Digging destroys fungal networks that attach to biochar surfaces. It's best to leave soil undisturbed and let roots and worms integrate the material naturally. No-dig soil, it matures instead of resetting. Unlike compost, biochar does not disappear. It actually improves soil structure for decades. Each application, it compounds the benefits of previous ones. Worm populations, they stabilize over time. This is how soil becomes permanently fertile. Regular harvesting signals plants to keep feeding their roots, and those roots in turn release sugars that feed the microbes living in the tiny pores of biochar. This really closes the loop, and it just keeps strengthening soil life continuously. Healthy soil creates momentum. This is not about banana peels. It is about carbon architecture, microbial housing, and biological trust. Worms return because the soil finally offers safety, stability, and food all at once. That is the miracle. If this changed how you see soil, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more science-backed, nature-aligned gardening that replaces guesswork with systems that actually work. Share this with anyone who thinks worms require expensive inputs. Soil life is waiting for the right invitation.